The Accurite IntelliTime is a basic alarm clock that accurately wakes you up at a specific time each morning. While it lacks extra features, it maintains accurate time with its automatic sync feature. The clock comes pre-programmed with the correct time, and you simply set it to the correct time zone. When testing this alarm clock, I found that the snooze time does not match the time the manufacturer advertises, which resulted in a lower accuracy score. Rather than sound an alarm every 8 minutes, the alarm clock only snoozes for 5 minutes. However, it keeps that 5-minute interval, as well as the actual time, accurately. You cannot adjust the snooze time, and the alarm only allows you to snooze for an hour before the alarm resets for the next day. With automatic sync, you do not have to manually set the clock's time. It also automatically adjusts for daylight saving time, making it a self-maintaining clock. The alarm clock houses a CR2032 backup battery. During a power outage, the battery maintains the time, however, it does not alert you to wake up when running on battery. This digital alarm clock only has basic features. It has one alarm, and you can adjust the time and volume it wakes you up at. You also can adjust the brightness of the alarm clock's large display so the light from the screen doesn't disrupt you during the night. You can easily silence the alarm in the dark or early morning hours with the large snooze button located on the top of the unit. In addition to displaying the time, the clock also tracks the date. The Accurite IntelliTime alarm clock serves as an affordable and effective alarm clock. With few features, it is easy to use, and wakes you up on time. While I found that the alarm clock snoozed in shorter increments than advertised, the clock keeps accurate time, and wakes you when it is supposed to.